how does the human body work? Right now, without you thinking about it, your heart is beating around once every second. Your lungs are pulling in air. Your brain is processing everything you're seeing and hearing, and trillions of cells inside you are quietly doing their jobs. The human body is running one of the most complex systems in existence, and most of it happens completely automatically. So, how does it actually work? Let's start with energy. Every single thing your body does, moving, thinking, healing, even staying warm, needs fuel. That fuel comes from food, broken down by your digestive system. Once you eat, your stomach and intestines break that food into smaller molecules like glucose, which get absorbed into your bloodstream. But glucose floating in your blood is useless unless it can get into your cells, and that's where your circulatory system comes in. Your heart is essentially a pump, pushing blood through a network of blood vessels that, if laid out end to end, would stretch about 60,000 miles. This blood carries glucose, but it also carries something just as critical, oxygen. And that's where your respiratory system steps in. Every time you breathe in, oxygen passes from your lungs into your bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, gets removed and breathed out. So, now you've got oxygen and glucose traveling together through your blood. When they reach your cells, something remarkable happens. Your cells combine them in a process called cellular respiration, which produces energy your body can actually use. This happens inside tiny structures called mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell, and it's happening inside nearly every one of your 37 trillion cells right now. But none of this would be coordinated without a control system, and that's your nervous system. Your brain is constantly sending and receiving signals through nerves that stretch throughout your entire body, controlling everything from your heartbeat to your breathing to your ability to move your hand right now. Alongside this, your endocrine system releases hormones, chemical messengers that travel through your blood, regulating things like your metabolism, your stress response, and your growth. And while all of this is happening, your immune system is patrolling your body, identifying anything that doesn't belong, viruses, bacteria, damaged cells, and eliminating it before it can cause harm. Your musculoskeletal system gives you structure and movement. Your skin acts as a protective barrier against the outside world, and your kidneys filter your blood, removing waste and balancing fluids so your internal environment stays stable. What's incredible is that none of these systems work in isolation. Your digestive system feeds your circulatory system. Your circulatory system feeds your respiratory and nervous systems. Your nervous and endocrine systems regulate almost everything else. It's an interconnected loop, constantly adjusting, constantly balancing, all to keep you in a stable state called homeostasis. And the wildest part? You don't have to manage any of it consciously. Your body handles billions of processes every second just so you can exist, think, and move through your day without a second thought. That's the human body, not one machine, but a network of systems working together every second just to keep you alive.